Hello, this is Nick from ReviewOutlaw.com. Today I'm going to show you how to tune up your Husqvarna 460 Rancher.
ReviewOutlaw.com. New videos every Thursday at 3 p.m. Subscribe today.
So what I've purchased here, I'm going to provide a link in the show notes down below, is the maintenance kit for this Husqvarna. Basically, it's the 460, and what's happening when I give it gas, I'm cutting a tree, it pretty much dies down, dies out, won't cut, kind of stalls out. So I'm hitting the throttle here, full speed, and just goes brr, brr, and just pretty much it stops the chain. Now this is a newer chain I have on here, so I know it's not the chain. Gas, I use all good quality gas, so it's not that. So most likely it's the spark plug, the fuel filter, the air filter. Cheap enough just to replace all these things. And then of course I'll put some new fresh gas in there as well. But I'm just gonna show you how to do that. And in case your Husqvarna is doing the same thing. So they provide little quick directions back here on taking it apart. But basically what we need to do is take this top piece off. Okay, so here we have the fuel filter right here, as you can see. And just gonna go right here. As you can see, the fuel filter, open the gas can up. You can kind of pull it out here. This is the little old one. I'm going to take this off, just unspin this here. I'm going to put this back, this one in here. This one's not that bad from what we can tell, but I got a new one here, so let's just put a fresh one in here. Just drops right in here. Shut that, nice and easy. That's the fuel filter. Okay, so now the air filter, the spark plug. Just need a screwdriver for this. You can tell that's full of stuff. This is a new one. This is the old one. And before I put that back in, I'm just gonna get the spark plug. So this is the spark plug. You can tell it's a little bit burnt, a little black compared to the new one. It's time for a new one, you know? Hey, I really appreciate you watching this video. If you have time, please give me a thumbs up, share the video on Facebook or social media, click that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit that bell icon next to the subscribe button so you get a notification when new videos come out. Finally, if you leave me a comment, I love those. Really appreciate it. Have a great day, guys.